Next, let's speak about relevance, the most fundamental and faceted concept in information retrieval. Relevance is the relationship between a query and a document. Different types of relevance exist. A document is topically relevant if it is on the same topic of the query, that is, if it is about the query. However, the notion of relevance that a user perceives encompasses more dimensions than just topicality. For example, for a user, a relevant document should also be understandable, novel, trustworthy, and so on. From the system side, we have algorithmic relevance, the relevance of a document to a query that the system infers. The key goal of information retrieval is to get the algorithmic relevance as close as possible to the user relevance. Most system methods, however, often only attempt to estimate topical relevance. Let's further elaborate on the concept of relevance with some examples. Imagine you want to find out information about the Great Wall of China. Say you want to know when it was built, how long it is, and so on. So you issue a query to Google. Say China's Great Wall. The first result is the Wikipedia page about the wall. Is this relevant? Well, most likely it is, based on your expectation of what is into a Wikipedia page. The second result comes from a website about some highlights of China. In the title of the snippet, we can see mentioned the words length and history, so this result is very likely to be relevant too. What about the entity card on the right-hand side of the SERP? Well, from the information on the card, you cannot really find out what you were interested about, so maybe it's not that relevant. The previous examples made us reflect about the aboutness dimension of relevance. So a page is about a topic. But consider this next example. Okay, this page is about China and mentions the Great Wall. So it might seem to be about your query. But in reality, you would not find this page relevant to your information need that was looking for the length and the history of the Great Wall of China. And consider this other example. Well, this page contains some of the information you are after. But unless you actually know Chinese, you cannot really make any sense of it. And thus, this page cannot be used to answer your information need. This is a good example of the fact that relevance is not just aboutness or topicality. In this example, the fact that you cannot read the page makes the page not understandable and therefore not relevant to you.